Hi, Brian Halligan from HubSpot here. Really fired up to interview Tim O'Reilly. Welcome to the Inbound Marketing Summit.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. For those of you who don't know Tim, he's quite a guy. He's probably the world's best sort of technical book publisher. Is that fair to say?
I would say that's fair.
He runs great shows. So he started the Web 2.0 conference and several other conferences that are very popular. He had the first commercial website, I heard today during his speech. Very impressed to hear that. And he invented the term Web 2.0. Yeah, thanks for joining us today. Lead-off question, sort of, what do you think kind of has changed about Web 2.0 since you sort of defined it 3-4 years ago?
People are starting to understand what I was talking about.
Okay.
Even though the name Web 2.0, which by the way I didn't invent, it was actually invented by Dale Doherty, who works for me.
Okay.
And I immediately applied it to things I'd been talking about,
Yeah.
really from probably from as early as 1997. I said, there's something here in this web thing where it's going to become much more than it is. It's not just going to be this publishing kind of phenomenon. It's going to be the source of the next big fortunes. Of course, it turned out to be so. But then I said, well, what is it about it? And the fundamental idea that I came to was that, first of all, it was about data as opposed to about software.
Yeah.
And that in particular it was about databases that get better the more people use them.
Yeah.
A lot of people thought that Web 2.0 was first they thought it was about advertising, and lightweight startups, and then maybe now they think it's about social media. And I keep trying to remind people that it's actually about how businesses work differently in the age of the network.